My inspiration in 3 words is daring, dangerous, poison. The lips are all about intense color and high shine. The must-have products for this lip is Rouge Dior Poison and Dior Addict Gloss Nude. The best tip for this luminous skin is the 1-2-3 step with Forever Foundation. The secret to get this intense eye look, I applied Dior Show Maximizer 3D and then I added layers of Dior Show Iconic Overcurl in black, added some shadow with Saint Couleur Parisian Sky. For the nails, we played with a contrast. Some girls have Ariel, which is almost like a nude greyish pink, and some girls have Obscure, which is like a real deep chocolate brown. This season the Dior woman is daring, dangerous and poison.